Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Here is one important observation on the current economy. So RBI has raised its concern over disconnect between financial markets and economy. The financial markets are increasing like anything. We are able to see a rally in the share market. Right now, Sensex is running at around 49,500 points, which is record in the history of our country. But the ground level reality is India has already entered into recession. When the GDP of a country contracts consecutively for 2 quarters, then automatically that country is technically considered to have entered into recession. So the ground level reality is our country has already entered into recession. But the Sensex and Nifty are increasing like anything. So there is a huge disconnect between the performance of the economy and that of its reflection in the share market. So actually I too agree with the same. That's why I'm making this video. And I think very soon we may see a sharp correction in the share market. Now the question is, what might be the reasons for this kind of disconnect? The first reason is, in this lockdown, the major businesses that got affected are MSMEs and unorganized sector. As far as corporate companies are concerned, yes, I do agree that they got affected, but they are not much affected due to various reasons. For example, in case of a corporate company, they can easily switch over from physical offices to work from home, because in majority organizations the policies will be strictly framed, and it's very easy on any day to switch over from physical work to physical office work to work from home. It's not a big deal. But can a small organization can a small organization will have that much flexibility? Can they easily switch over from work from home? So there are several small businesses which cannot be run, if they give an offer of work from home to their employees. That means physical presence of employees is mandatory. Majority of small businesses and medium businesses will be like that. But whereas corporate setup will not be like that. So they can comfortably they can comfortably make their employees work even from home. And generally, each and every business cannot be run under corporate sector. So they will be choosing only such kind of businesses which will not get affected with this kind of disruptions, that is lockdown. So they will be generally immune towards this kind of activities or decisions taken by the government. That is generally inherent in the nature of the business being done by corporate sector. For example, when the entire world is suffering with lockdown, so Apple company sales has increased like anything, because several students were forced to attend their classes, take their classes on mobile devices and laptops. As a result, the sales of the Apple company has increased like anything. Even when the physical stores of the Apple have shut down, they have continued their sales through e-commerce means. That means it is almost immune against this decision of lockdown. Generally, majority corporate companies will be doing business in such kind of areas only. So that might be one reason for corporate sector not getting affected much with the lockdown, and much affected being MSME and unorganized sector. That might be one reason. Second reason might be, right now share market seems to be only investment option to majority investors. So because of various reasons, for example, very marginal, very less rate of interest being offered by banks. There is no safety for other modes of investment in the market right now. So, because of all these reasons, the only option looking forward by a investor, probable investor, is only a share market. That might be another reason. And third reason is, so people are optimistic about the performance of the corporate sector in future. So if they are not optimistic, they are not going to invest in the share market. That might be third reason. And fourth reason might be institutional investors. So in olden days, non-institutional investors used to be major supporters for share market. Those days are gone now. Now share market is completely backed up by institutional investors. So they will be doing their activity irrespective of the economy status. That might also be one reason for this kind of disconnect between the performance of the economy and that of financial markets. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. And I wish that correction shall not happen. But generally, after reaching this much height, generally a correction is bound to happen. Let's hope so. Let's hope that no investor is going to lose his money, but still certain things are inevitable. All the best, my dear students.